today we're going to do a ham, rice, broccoli, cheese, one pan kind of meal. I'm going to put the recipe down below, but it's not exactly done the way the recipe states. So this is what you would do if you cooked everything separately. In the recipe it tells you to put the broccoli and the rice in there together. And you know, I just got to thinking I had some leftover rice I could throw in, leftover broccoli, da 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 da. And what do you do when, you know, it's already cooked? So right now I took a ham steak, I chopped it up. It's supposed to be about a pound. It must be a little bit more than a pound because it kind of looks like it. And I'm just kind of warming it up in the skillet with a little bit of oil. Okay. Now, I don't really have to. This is going to be really fast. I don't really have to remove this. It's got a little bit of oil still on the bottom, and it'll probably make a little bit more, you know, from the fat off the ham. But I had some extra rice. I did take the rice and I boiled just a little bit extra, and I put it in, I put some bouillon cubes in the water. That's another great thing for, you know, using bouillon cubes, is you can add it to anything. You know, you can put it in the water or add it to something else that you got going, anything. It's just great. Very versatile. Okay, so I actually made more rice than what the, I made probably about 3 cups of rice. What the recipe stated. So you stick all this in there together. Rice is cooked. We're just kind of warming everything up some more. 12-ounce pack of broccoli. I just put it in the microwave to steam it. Okay. It could even be fresh broccoli. So we'll put all that together. Garlic powder. So I'm going to put about teaspoon and a half. Let's just make it 2 teaspoons. And we need some salt and pepper. So we'll do a little bit of kosher salt. Not too much because you got ham in there. That should give it a little bit of a salty flavor. And pepper. And you really just about done. The last thing you want to put in is your cheddar, and I'm sure you can use probably any cheese you wanted, but I'm just going to go with what the recipe called for. Okay, and so we're going to let this sit for a few minutes, and then you're going to put and let it, you know, continue to kind of simmer just a little bit. You don't want it to stick, so you need to keep up with that. And then put the cheese in at the very end, and then you're done. It's a 1-pot meal, and it literally just takes a few minutes to throw together because most of the ingredients you've already had cooked before, especially the rice. Ham steak comes smoked and it's already fully cooked, but you could use leftover ham from, you know, a holiday meal or just any meal and do the same thing. And you do not have to use broccoli florets. You can use frozen broccoli florets, frozen broccoli cuts, which are just the pieces, or you can use fresh. But if you're going to do what I did, where you just kind of throw it all together, you may need to cook it a little bit somehow, some way, before you put it in here. Steam it or boil it, something. And if you do boil it, don't boil it completely. Just do it just enough to get it tender. Alright, so let me add the cheese. This is about a cup, so I'm going to have to shred just a little bit more and add to it. And you can use the pre-shredded cheese. We just like to use the block and shred it ourselves. But sometimes I do use the bagged up cheese that you get at the store. another cup. Okay. And I use the extra sharp to try to give it a little bit more flavor. Let it sit there so it can melt, and just keep stirring it so it doesn't stick. And that's it. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all next time.